stay in power after he lost the 2020 election.
On the other hand, black police officer Harry Dunn is one of many who tried to stop last year's attack on the Capitol. In an interview with CNN, Dunn says he was pleased to see Trump being held accountable.
I guess that's one of the remarkable things, the truly remarkable things about it is that he's being treated just like anybody else, and I guess that's the way it should be. That's sending a good sign. You know, a lot of people are upset about it on the other side, but, you know, are they really for, you know, fairness and equal treatment under the law? It's good to see that. That was a good sign.
Trump was arraigned on 4 felony charges alleging he tried to obstruct the transfer of presidential power.
Forbes just released their third annual 50 over 50 list highlighting powerful women who are still paving the way. Artist, entrepreneur, Grammy, and NAACP Image Award winner Patti LaBelle is featured alongside Black Fulton County, Georgia DA Bonnie Willis, actress and producer Viola Davis, and more impactful black women. The full list can be found on Forbes' website. I'm Amber Payne, along with Mike Stevens on your home for 24/7 News, the Black Information Network.
Time now for traffic and weather.
On the Bay Area BIN 19.
Still seeing heavy traffic heading through San Francisco on northbound 101. That sluggish pattern starts right at Cesar Chavez. That's going to run you up to the Skyway. By the way, that Octavia off-ramp from northbound
Approaching a railroad crossing.
Down. This is because of last week's 4-alarm fire. Eastbound 80 on the Skyway, that's going to be heavy from 101 out to the San Francisco Anchorage. And once you're across the bridge, you're going to slow down again on eastbound 80 at the Maze. There, you're going to be slow and stretches up to Highway 4. Checking the top of the bay, we see heavy traffic on northbound 101 heading through Nevada. That slows just past DeLong, and that's going to carry you up to Poly State Park. Also, eastbound Highway 37 slows at Lakeville Road. That's going to carry you through Sears Point out to the Sonoma Creek Bridge. With Bay Area traffic, I'm Rick Batiste on the Black Information Network.
Your story is our story.
The Black Information Network.
The Bay Area's BIN 910.
I'm Natasha Williams on your home for 24/7 News on San Francisco's BIN 910. 7 months into her new job as Alameda County's new district attorney, Pamela Price is under fire. A group has launched an effort to have her recalled and removed from office. A civil rights attorney, Price ran on a platform of reform and transformation of the justice system, particularly for black and brown people, but critics accuse her of being soft on crime. Now, one of her former prosecutors is breaking her silence about Price's decision to reduce the charges in one of the Bay Area
Approaching a railroad crossing.
cases. She said Price's decision to remove the special circumstances in the case of David Nish, an accused serial killer, undid decades of investigative work that led to his arrest. Now, longtime Alameda prosecutor Colleen McMahon is speaking out to NBC Bay Area, openly criticizing that decision by African-American District Attorney Pamela Price.
I know more about these cases than anyone, probably even to this day. And to not have a discussion with me about the impact that charging decision may have on the future of the case is unthinkable.
The families of the victims are upset too. The family of Michaela Garrett calling the DA's decision unbelievable. Price saying she understands why they feel that way.
I appreciate that they are still, have been held hostage by the system because the case has not been resolved after so many years. What my commitment to them was then and continues to be, and which I have fulfilled, is that we're going to prosecute this case as expeditiously as we can.
Fish remains locked up, charged with several crimes, but Garrett's family, who never recovered her body, wonders if they'll ever get true justice for the little girl who was killed 34 years ago when she was just 9 years old. And a Notre Dame University study says a program in Santa Clara County is preventing homelessness. A professor from the college says one-time financial assistance payments work.
A month or two of rent for them is the thing that's the difference between something really tragic, becoming homeless, and not.
Santa Clara County's program Destination Home San Jose gives away money to families behind on rent or who are about to be homeless. The study says families that receive the financial assistance are likely to become homeless within a half year. The county program helped 14,000 people since it started in 2017. The chief program officer of Destination Home San Jose says with inflation, the amount is about $6,000 to $7,000 per family, but taxpayers will save money in the long run. And one brewery wants to help another one reopen. Foxtail Fermentation Project in San Jose is making their own brew to sell in order to help Anchor Brewery in San Francisco, which recently closed its doors. Foxtail Brewery says their proceeds from their Solidarity Ale will go toward Anchor Brewing's reopening efforts. And that's a look at what's going on around the Bay Area. I'm Natasha Williams on your home for 24/7 News, San Francisco's BIN 910.
Looking for ways to get involved? The National Urban League works to provide economic empowerment, educational opportunities, and the guarantee of civil rights for the underserved. Learn more at nul.org. Because trust matters.
The Black Information Network. The Bay Area's BIN 910.
This hour of news is brought to you by Sony, a proud founding partner of the Black Information Network.
America lost a legend and black icon with the passing of Henry Louis Hank Aaron. The Hall of Fame slugger with 755 career home runs stood as Major League Baseball's golden march died at the age of 86. As one of baseball's greatest stars, Aaron's career spanned over 20 years, and he retired with a host of achievements. He was the National League MVP and World Series champion in 1957, a three-time Gold Glove winner, and 25-time All-Star. His 755 career home runs stood as the Major League record before Barry Bonds broke it in 2007. It was Aaron who broke Babe Ruth's original record of 714 home runs, all while threats were made on his life by fans who did not want to see a black man as baseball's home run king. After retiring as a player, Aaron moved to the front office, eventually becoming senior vice president and assistant to the president of the Atlanta Braves. Off the field, Aaron was a tireless advocate for civil rights. This is Terrence Bibb for the Black Information Network.
News for us.
Gang violence in Haiti has significantly increased recently. News by us.
Black Olympic champion Dominique Dawes is running her own gymnastics academy with the hope to train a new generation of athletes because no one can tell our story like us.
This is the first in American history, and we are losing our democracy to white supremacy.
When you need to know,
Trust the Black Information Network.
the Bay Area's BIN 910 and on the iHeartRadio app. Will they find a home? Sponsored by Geico. Susan has always wanted to live in a chateau. I like a certain je ne sais quoi, while Jake is more into the Cape Cod style home.
It's a classic look.
Compromise is tough, but these two won't have to compromise when they bundle home and car insurance with Geico. It's easy, and they can save even more. In the end, Susan and Jake found a Cape Cod style home where they will only speak French.
Bonjour, je t'aime, merci beaucoup, and cordon bleu.
You'll get better with time. Bundling without compromise at Geico.com. Bank of America Corporation is proud to be a founding partner who shares and supports the mission of the Black Information Network.
Looking for ways to help propel human potential? For over 50 years, SEO has been an innovator in youth education, mentorship, and positive peer pressure. Tap into and support the potential of newfound greatness at SEO-USA.org.
Because news can happen anywhere, anytime. The Black Information Network hotline is available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at 855-500-9DIN. The opinions, beliefs, and viewpoints expressed in this commentary are those of the author and do not necessarily represent those of BIN and its founding partners and employees.
I'm Mo Kelly on BIN with your 2-minute warning. Black celebrity media keeps missing the larger point in trying to cover black celebrities. Let me offer some examples. The biggest recent stories in black celebrity media have been surrounding the drama between actress Keke Palmer and boyfriend Darius Jackson.